How to use a multimeter, Part 1.
Today I'm going to show you how to use a multimeter properly, not to guesswork, but the professional way. Every electrician, solar installer, technician and engineer must master this tool. This is your multimeter. It has a display, a control knob, you have the COM port, common, and you have the volt, the ohm port, and normally sometimes you have a 10 amp port for high current. Sometimes it's 20 amp, like this my own. And as always, the black probe should come to this COM, and the red probe should come to this volt or ohm. Unless you are measuring high current, then you can now switch this to this one, and this one for low current. Now, any twisted wire or wrong port selection can cause a very serious damage to your multimeter. So you should take it into consideration and always try to avoid those mistakes. In my next video, I'll show you how to measure AC voltage and DC voltage and current, and also how to test resistance, continuity, and many more.